on the third line or hanging down from the fourth line?
Apart from the first line. Third line.
Third line. 那你要画好一点啊，这个 is hard to tell. And then 这个是忘记，这个也是看不出来。It looks like it's from the. What are you trying to?
你的 rest bar 以后要
That's why
用细一点的笔来做。
That's why I write such a big
I thought
space.
it's an example.
So can you write it in for me? Okay, so 这边 this you found the chromatic steps, but you mark bass bass tenor. It should be bass bass and bass because that's the movement of the bass that's creating the chromatic steps. Do you understand? And then 这个的是 notation 的问题. So can you erase? I don't want to see the unequal. I want the stems to be straight. Not too short. This is not acceptable. So can you rewrite this to make it look better? And 这两份的是我比较担心的。这个 bassoon is not transposing. What is troubling you in this part? 什么叫做 interval of a diminished fifth melodic?
5 notes, 6 half steps.
Yeah, it must be only in the bassoon part. Tell me why you can't find it. Is it because you're reading it in treble clef? If you're reading this in treble clef, you cannot find any two notes that form diminished fifth. If you read it in bass clef, then you will find it. Were you using treble clef?
I think so.
How many times I told you? Read the clef, read the clef. 那爸爸要写在 checklist. Read the clef. Okay. So 这个是 composing. 我们还是 back to square one. Double bar line. Augmented interval. You sharpen the wrong note. You sharpen the tonic. This is D minor. You sharpen the tonic. 你忘记检查 6 and 7? You assume it's E minor or something? 想错?
No, I thought this was. I thought these two were the 6th and 7th, and that was the tonic.
But this is D. D cannot be the 6 and 7. Right?
I thought this was C and that was B.
看错. 可能眼镜要戴去. 然后这个呢 notation 不清楚, right? If this is on a line, the natural sign seems to be in a space. 太高了吧? And then what's this? Isn't this the same as the 7? 你忘记 raise, 是不是? You forgot you missed that? Or you were reading it as treble clef again?
Treble.
第一个，爸爸，先
Actually,
read the clef.
Actually,
Read-
go after the 这种 clef， 因为它总是把这个读成 treble 的，所以
对啊
一旦看到这种 clef， 你就要 alert， 然后
read
就
the clef 第一件事情。
因为
read
好像
the
你还没有把 treble clef 把它读成这一种，对吧？这个叫什么
Bass.
clef？bass clef，yeah yeah。看到 bass clef， 你要很小心哦。
这个是不小心的吧? Or you didn't know which one is the bass note? Do you know where's the bass note? Oh no, don't tell me. You think it's the treble clef? 也不可能啊。
C.
C.
是看错 note 了吗？
看错 chord? You read the wrong chord? 是不是? What?
I think it's
What? 为什么是
你怎么
chord
想的？
2?
你说，大声说出。
There's C and A flat.
Oh, you got tricked. Because 你这样看的时候 this is what beat. What beat is this?
I thought.
I know. Like, is this part of beat number 1, beat number 2, beat number 3, beat number 4? What beat is this?
1.
1. How many notes do you actually hear when it's beat number 1?
4. 4.
No. On beat number 1的这个地方 how many
2.
notes? You left out something.
You mean 5?
3.
Three. Which three? Yeah, that's
哦，老师说
why.
的这个时间对吧？这个 moment 啊，这个还 lasting 啊。
所以这个是错的哈。So that's why the answer is wrong. 然后糟糕了，这个还不是最大的难题。这个怎么可能是错的？这个是0分。Why? Because it's the wrong clef. Right?
Again?
0分。Because of the wrong
You
clef.
thought it was treble?
What note? First cadence 要停在什么呢
Fifth, seventh, or
Yeah, what are the note names then?
E,
E,
G,
E sharp, but not.
I thought it was bass clef.
啊，所以不是，
哦，那就不好办，
所以 anytime
那就不好办了。
怎么办？所以我是说他
对
他花多少时间去写，所以我才问。This is. Oh no！ 不然忽然间想错 key 吗？还是怎么样 ？What happened there? Isn't this C E G? Isn't this F? 结果你写的是什么 ？1 and 4. There's no cadence that goes from 1 to 4, and 1 is not C E G. 1 is F A C， 所以不可能。OK？
Albert, slow down, slow down, Albert，你想明白你怎么想的，怎么想错的吗？你做的时候，
我觉得忽然间换 key，
你想明白了吗？还是说你现在也不知道为什么当时那么做的
Don't know why.
？You don't know why。这个表是对的是吧？
哎，这个表
这
没错
表是对的
Yeah，
只是看题的时候看错了是吧？
怎么办？这个都跟他 go over 了，所以这个都可以拿回去做。I will check these again to make sure that he did all
啊，
the
这样
corrections.
，Albert，我把你